In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Invoices, how to bulk import invoices into Xero, 5 minutes. To start, open Xero and sign in, click Login, enter your email and password, and confirm with Login again. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because your import will go into the company you're currently viewing. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. From the top menu, select Business, then choose Invoices. On the Invoices page, look for the Import option. This is where we'll bring in a batch of invoices in one go, saving you from creating them one at a time. Before importing, download Xero's invoice template. It's a CSV file structured exactly the way Xero expects. Open it and review the headers so you understand what each column needs. Common fields include contact name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, reference, item description, quantity, unit amount, account code, and tax information. Dates usually need to be in a consistent format like YYY Invoice numbers should be unique and amounts should be plain numbers without currency symbols. Tip: if you use account codes, match them to your chart of accounts in Xero. If you're not sure, check your account settings first to avoid coding errors. Copy your invoice data into the template. Keep one line per line item. If an invoice has multiple items, repeat the invoice number on each relevant line. Make sure contact names match your contacts in Xero. If a contact doesn't exist, Xero can create it during import, but consistency in spelling helps prevent duplicates. If you use tax inclusive or tax exclusive pricing, ensure the template reflects your choice and that totals align. Avoid formulas or merge cells. Values should be plain text or numbers. When you're done, save the file as CSV. Back in Xero, click Browse and select your saved CSV file. Double check the file name and that you're importing into the correct organization. Then click Import. Xero will validate the file and show you a preview. Carefully review any warnings or errors. If something doesn't look right, cancel, fix the CSV, and try again. Many issues come from date formats, missing required fields, or account codes that don't exist. When the import is successful, return to the invoices list and filter by the recent date or your reference to confirm everything landed correctly. Tip: start with a small test batch before importing a large file and keep a copy of your CSV for audit and future use. That's it. You've bulk imported invoices into Xero quickly and confidently.